So they're teaching 2 points in this juncture, the Rasa Lila, to attain a perfection of human life, which everyone knows is the loving service of Radha and Krishna. Usually we say, we grew up by saying, Krishna Prema. Anyone avoids these 10 offenses, he'll attain Krishna Prema. That's a fact. What life? I don't know. First of all, what life will we stop making offenses? First question is, what life will we stop making offenses? And then when that life comes, then in those succession of offenseless lives, which of those succession of offenseless lives will we attain the coveted and cherished Krishna Prema? And so now we realize that Krishna Prema is good, is desirable, we should try, but even better than Krishna Prema is Radha Krishna's Prem Seva. We want Radha Govinda Yugal Prem Seva. So this tweaking of our prayojan, or our sadhya means goal, sadhana sadhya, the tweaking or adjustment, fine-tuning of our sadhya. Oh, I want to attain Krishna Prema, acha. I want to attain Radha Krishna Yugal Seva. Because our angle is, of course, Radha Sneha Adik, more affection and love for Radharani, but serving Radharani means bringing Radha and Krishna together. That's the ultimate service. And serving them when they are together, and when they're separated, somehow bringing them together. So Radha Govinda Yugal Seva, that's the goal. And those that follow the path of Rag Marg, or going in that way, and interested, they will understand that I want this. I want Krishna, but I want Radharani more, and I want them to be together. So we are Radha Krishna Upasakas. We say Radhe Radhe, and we so much glorify Radharani and worship Radharani, but it doesn't go just there. Because if you just go to Radharani, she says, where's Krishna? Bring me Krishna. Oh, I just want to worship you and chant Radhe Radhe Radhe. Get lost, go find Krishna. Go chant Radhe Radhe in the forest and you'll find Krishna very fast. Because anyone's wandering in the forest in Vrindavan saying, Radhe Radhe Radhe, you're not going to meet Radharani. Day and night you can wander through this forest. Radhe Radhe Kotai Go Prema Radhe Radhe Prema Mai Radhe Radhe. You won't meet Radharani, you'll meet Krishna. Krishna comes and says, you're shouting day and night, I can't sleep. What do you want? I want Radharani's darshan. Okay, take it, man. What about me? Okay, you too. Stand together. Madhurya Kadambini, when you see the beloved, you faint. And then Krishna holds your hand, or Krishna whispers in your ear. Very beautiful. The eighth shower. Ashtama Varsha. The eighth shower, Madhurya Kadambini, is worth reading again and again and again. That's describing the experience of praying for the Sakya Bhakta, the friendly lover of Krishna, or the servant, or the parental lover, or the conjugal lover. Very beautiful, unbelievable. You studied? It's the most, I've saw so many times, because I want that. And we all want that. So be completely absorbed in the existence of Krishna's form, qualities, lilas, and dham, his associates and everything, and lilas, and then so absorbed that you're feeling Krishna's separation, or the apparent absence, and then you must go mad in love for Krishna.